Hello and good morning dear students. So today's class will be on our second exercise and today's topic is conditional probability. Okay, so you can see the heading conditional probability. So what kind of probability we are going to learn? We are going to learn about probabilities which is based on some conditions. Okay, so first I'm going to give you the formula of conditional probability and then after that I'll explain what is the condition out here and how can we apply this in our exercise. Alright, so let us start. So the formula for conditional probability is probability PA/B. Alright, so PA/B. Now I'm going to explain you what is A and what is B. A and B are two events. Okay, later on we'll see what kind of events are A and B. But the formula for PA/B is given by okay, so PA/B is equals to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. You can also remember in this way, A by B, so A intersection B divided by probability of B. Okay, where the denominator, while you see this video, please do plug your earplugs. Okay, please do put your earplugs and then, you'll be clear. Because right now I'm in school and then I have to make a video out here. And I hope you can feel that echo, isn't it? Okay, so probability of B is not equals to 0, where the denominator cannot be is equals to 0, because if the denominator is 0, then it becomes undefined. Okay, but what does A/B means? A/B means, this means we are finding, okay, please note this down, we are finding probability of A, where probability of B has, or where the event B has already been occurred. Okay, so what does it mean? P of A/B means, are you understanding my point? P of A/B means we are finding probability of A where event B has already been occurred. Okay, now same goes with the formula for probability of B/A. The same thing. Probability of B/A will be probability B intersection B divided by probability of A where PA not equals to 0. Alright, the same thing which is number 2, the conditional probability of B/A or B upon A. Okay, so probability of getting B where event A has already been occurred is given by probability of B intersection A divided by probability of A where the denominator is still not equals to 0. So pause the video, note down the formula, we'll now proceed with the exercise. Remember that the value for probability of A/B also lies in between 0 to 1. Either it can be 0, or either it can be 1, or either it can be any values in between 0 and 1, but it cannot be greater than 1 and less than 0. Okay, so please do remember this formula properly. We have to use this in our exercise 10.2. So pause the video and note it down. Alright, the first question you can see in exercise 10.2 is, given P of A equals to half and P of B is equals to 0, then what can you say about P of A/B? P of A/B, we know the formula is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. But when you put the value for probability of B, which is 0, so anything divided by 0 is not defined. So hence, this probability will not be defined. Okay, so that is the answer. Pause the video, note it down. Let's move ahead with question number 1, part 2. Given that probability of A/B is equals to probability of B/A, then we have to prove that probability of A is equals to probability of B. So what we'll do is, on both the sides, we'll put the formulas of P of A/B and then P of B/A. Okay? Alright, on both the sides, I told you to put the formulas. P of A/B is given by this formula and P of B/A is given by this formula. Now we know that probability of B intersection A probability of B intersection A is same as probability of A intersection B. So this is equal to this. So on both the sides, this and this gets cancelled out. So cross multiply, we get P of A is equals to P of B. Okay, pause the video, note it down. Alright, let's move ahead with question number 2. In question number 2, A and B are two events such that PA equals to half, PB equals to 1 by 3, P of A intersection B equals to 1 by 4. We are asked to find the value for P of A slash B and P of B slash A. You can see on the board, use the formula and put the values. The values are 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. So please pause the video and note it down. Alright, so next we move ahead with question number 4. In question number 4, this is the question given to us. Probability A naught is equals to 0.7. Probability B is equals to 0.7. Probability B slash A is equals to 0.5. Find the value for P of A slash B and P of A union B. So there's three things given to us. So probability A naught means probability A complement is equals to 0.7. So if probability A complement is 0.7, then we know probability of A plus probability of A bar is equals to 1. So use this formula out here. You know probability A bar is 1 minus probability of A, and then probability of A will be 1 minus of this, so 0.3. Okay, so what is the value for probability of A? Probability of A is 0.3. I got the value for probability of A, and then I know probability of B, I know B slash A. Let us see what we can do with this. Probability of A slash B. Okay. Now, also I know this. Also, probability of A slash B slash A is 0.5. Now, this means probability of B intersection A, B intersection A divided by probability of A is equals to 0.5. We got the value for probability of A, cross multiply. So therefore, see, B intersection A is same as A intersection B, which is equals to 0.5 into 0.3. 0.5 into 0.3. That is probability A intersection B. 5 3s are 15, so 0.15. 0.15 is the value for probability of A intersection B. Okay, but I need to find the value for this. Therefore, probability of A slash B is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Okay, so A intersection B is this, that is 0.15, and then divided by probability of B is 0.7. So please do calculate this. How much is 0.15 divided by 0.7? Alright, so when you calculate this, you'll be getting A slash B as 3 by 14. Okay, now we will do A union B. Alright, I hope you people are getting this. Now we find probability of A union B. So probability of A union B, the formula is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. See, I have the values. What is the value for probability of A? It was 0.3. Probability of B 0.7 minus intersection is 0.15. We found it out. It is 1 minus 0.15, which is 0.85. So pause the video, note it down. Alright, we'll keep this much for today. So today's assignment will be question number 3, question number 5, question number 6. Now, by today evening or by tomorrow, I'll be giving you your maths projects, which will be for 20 marks. Remember that from section A, B and C, we have to choose 1, 1, 1. Okay, but we know section B and section C, there is a choice. Okay, so from section A, there will be one topic, and from section C, there will be one topic. So total 2 topics you have to do for your projects. Are you understanding? And then from section A, the topic which I have chosen is limit of a sum, definite integral as a limit of a sum. You'll have to write what is definite integral as a limit of a sum. Everything is provided in your book, and then one sum based on that. And in topic number 2, we'll be doing lines of regression. Lines of regression, we'll write the lines of regression, x and y and x, the regression coefficients, the formulas, everything. And then for a given data, we will solve and find the lines of regression. So that is going to be projects. Okay, we'll complete this in 1 week. I'll be giving you time for that. Okay, I'll also provide you the materials. So it'll be either this evening or by tomorrow. Okay, so that's it for today. Take care and bye-bye, and practice it properly.